it's the Ruby Piano, and if you want the notes for the Pirates of the Caribbean, here they are. Here's some tips for the left hand. Every chord is in root position, which means it's using 1, finger 3, and finger 5. And every chord is being played with those 3 fingers like that. And if you just memorize the first letter, that's where your pinky goes. So let's look at this first line. It's going to do a D minor. So you push the 1, 3, 5. Then you're going to go down to B flat. Pinky goes here. Then you're going to go to A minor, down 1, then up to D. And each of those lasts for 3 beats. So yeah, practice each line and then you can stick them together. So let's try this first line on the D minor. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, B flat, 2, 3, A minor, 2, 3, D minor, 2, 3. And practice each line like that. And then after you got the left hand, then you can try to stick both hands together. Practice left hand, practice right hand, stick them together. And yeah, watch one of these videos right here and have a great day. Bye.